guys, it's Maya and welcome back to another video on my channel. So today I got squishies and I'm so excited to be showing you them. So let's get straight onto the video. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post a video. So I'm so excited. So let's just, It is open because my parents thought it was something that they ordered, but it was something I ordered. And it's from Amazon. And I got a Keebler squishy and then a pack of 5 fruit squishies. So let's get on. Oh, it smells so good. It's so slow rising. I'll be taking them out of the packaging in the end. Okay. So here's the banana. Here's, whoa. Can't leave them in the packaging. The peach. The watermelon. The strawberry. Oh, they're tiny. The pineapple. So they're still like rising. So they've been stuffed into this tiny box. So I will be back once they are like frozen. So I'm going to be taking the banana out of its packaging, but here's the first squish. Very slow rising. I can already feel that it's soft. And I got this pack for only $15 off of Amazon, and it came with a pack of 5. Here it is. It's so soft. It is very slow rising. Love that squishy. And then here is the watermelon. It's very like slick. The peach, which is kind of deformed. Actually, no, it's kind of not pearlescent, but like it's very like soft, and so. Oh my gosh, look how slow that is rising. The pineapple. Guys, I'm super excited to touch the Keebler because it's a Keebler squishy. It's my first like name brand squishy. Oh my gosh. Okay. So slow rising. It's kind of like a rubbery feel. And the strawberry. The strawberry is tiny. That's gonna be bare. Okay, now it's time for the Keebler. It smells so good. So I'm gonna try to open this. Oh my gosh. Okay. So first of all, this smells amazing. It like smells so good. But look at it. It's so slow rising. So soft. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. I'm in love. It's so squishy too. As you can see, very slow rising. Yeah, I'm not bringing this one to school. No, honey. So I will do a haul of all the squishies that I got. So I got this peach squishy, very slow rising. This pineapple, and it feels like rubbery almost. A strawberry. Sorry for the background noises. My brother, he's watching Netflix. The banana, and I like the banana. It's very cute. And the watermelon. So, thank you so much for watching. This is kind of just like a quick video that I wanted to film because I got my squishies. So, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, comment down below a thumbs up emoji. So, thank you so much for watching. Bye.